tongue trips over every doubt. I mean, I'm scared to lose you. It comes out, I kinda need some space right now. You roll your eyes, think I'm planning how to run and hide. I'm trying to say hold me, but I say nothing and watch you slide. Not bury what we have. I just want us to get along, but it comes out bad. It comes out bad. You joke when we get married. I laugh late, stare down in my shoes. I mean, yeah, I dream it too. It sounds like I'm dodging you. Not bury what we have. I just want us to get along, but it comes out bad. It comes out bad. If I could shut my mouth and let my heartbeat talk instead. You hear I love you now, and all the days we haven't met yet. Can we bury the hatchet over what I got wrong tonight? 'Cause I wanna get along, I wanna get this right. I use the wrong kind of words and you freak out, but I'd never stab you in the back. I'm still choosing you right now. Comes out bad.